Today's story is called Flowers. It's by Vijaya, Khisty, Bodach, and this story is non-fiction. So if you remember, non-fiction means that it is real, so we'll be learning a little bit more about flowers. It's not a made-up story. In non-fiction books, they often have a table of contents, and that tells us what each section is going to be about and what page it will start on. So all kinds of flowers is a section that will start on page 12. Those are all the sections of the book. Flowers make seeds and fruits for plants. Flowers come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Flower buds grow from the stem of a plant. The buds open and flowers bloom. Flowers have pollen inside. Pollen helps flowers make seeds. Parts of the flower turn into fruit. Seeds grow inside the fruit. New plants grow from seeds. Colorful flower petals attract birds. The birds sip on nectar inside the flowers. Roses have soft petals that smell good. Roses grow on bushes. We eat some flowers. Cauliflower is a white flower. We eat it raw or cooked. Artichokes are flower buds. They make good dips and sauces. Pretty or plain, large or small, flowers help plants make fruit and seeds. At the end of this book, we have a page that shows all of the parts of the flower, of a sunflower. This is the flower at the top. This is what the seed looks like, the root, the stem, and the leaves. And often at the end of nonfiction books, there is something called a glossary in case there are difficult words that you need to know. So here we have some words. Attract, and it tells what the meaning is. To be interested or drawn closer to something. Bud, a small shoot on a plant that grows into a flower or a leaf. Buds grow from plant stems. Nectar, the sweet liquid inside flowers. Pollen, tiny yellow grains made in flowers. Seed, the part of a flowering plant that can grow into a new plant. Stem, the long main part of a plant that makes leaves. This part says read more, so if you want to know more about plants, it lists some books. And then on the last page is something called an index. So if you were looking for something in the book, kind of like the contents, it's divided up into subjects and it tells you what page it's on. And here are some internet sites. If you, again, want to know more about flowers, it lists that. So that's our book, our non-fiction book called Flowers.